Hello and welcome back to Heart of England School for what will be the final head teachers briefing at the end of the spring term. It has been a fever pitch of activity here over the past 2 weeks. A fortnight ago, Mrs. Vowles led an assembly to the entire school. We have set ourselves a very specific challenge, which is to raise over a week more than £750. The charity, which you can see here, is in honour of a student of ours. And I have to say how proud I am to be the head teacher of a school that has seen so many of our students mobilise, not only in terms of baking, but volunteering their time and organising things like a penalty shootout. We also have, as you may be able to see here, 16 very brave members of staff who have had their picture taken and it has been distorted by the ears of the Easter Bunny. All of this is to raise money for our school charity. And Mrs. Vowles has made a particular point of asking me to commend the following students for all of their hard work and their contributions. So, from me, a huge thank you to AXA, Lucy, Ben, Nico, Logan, Charlie, Jess, Amelia, Dan, Jess, Lily, and finally, Lucy, Amber, and Rosie. A huge thank you to you and to everyone who has bought a cake, who has guessed how many Easter eggs are in the jar, or has tried to guess who the members of staff are. This really encapsulates part of what it's like to be at Heart of England School. I have talked about, since September, this being a community school, and I am proud of each and every one of you for your efforts. The efforts going above and beyond the classroom curriculum have, I hope, been seen by some of you when I ventured forth into the food technology classroom. Miss Revel sent me the challenge of cooking for a Key Stage 3 class. I chose a beautiful fish curry and was very pleased with some of the feedback from our students. The video has been seen by over 7,000 people, and we are very hopeful that my culinary efforts will be rewarded with £100 worth of fish that our students get to cook in their food tech lessons. Although this is one of the shorter terms, a huge amount of activity has been crammed in. We have had all of our parents' evenings. It was also a special delight to be able to welcome in Mrs. Ridley from Ridley's Coaches, who has sponsored a brand new girls' football PE kit. We have had various trips that have gone out, and we have had different people from outside of the school come in to look at the work that we're doing. I would say that this has been an incredibly positive and successful term, building on all of the hard work that we have put in since September and all of the changes that we have implemented. So, to the staff, to the students, to the parents, to the Trust Board, I wish you all a lovely Easter and look forward to welcoming you back to Heart of England School in the summer term.